I'm very proud to be from KM, and I'm an actor, producer, musician, and I was an assistant director with Mr. Maniratnam. So all the stuff that I do for a living for the last 23 years, the roots of that come from Kirodimal College.
So we have Siddharth with us in this alumni meet. So how are you feeling today? You are back in your college after a long time.
Whenever I come back, I feel the same way. I feel great. I feel like I'm back home. So it's a great feeling.
So you passed out way back. So what changes do you see, like in terms of faculty or infrastructure or any other changes that you see in the college?
The beauty of colleges is that it's always changing, right? Because what you experience when you're here is one experience, and then every new set of people, the new set of ideas comes in, and there's always a new experience. So you guys have to tell me what's different from what we did, because we were part of setting some traditions, we were part of following some traditions. So I'm very proud of both that we did. I was president of DepSoc and I was also in players. So it is very rare for people to be in two societies all the time parallelly. So I tried to balance that for my 3 years, and I love being back because I'm excited about the new Audi, and we've all been waiting for the auditorium to get ready.
Any specific advice you would like to give the students who are currently a part of KMC?
I don't think students listen to advice, so I'm not in the habit of giving advice, but I will tell you this, that I'm very proud to be from KM, and I'm an actor, producer, musician, and I was an assistant director with Mr. Maniratnam. So all the stuff that I do for a living for the last 23 years, the roots of that come from Kirodimal College, specifically from players in DepSoc, and even more specifically from my mentor Keval Arora. And I was hugely inspired by Frank Thakurdas. So when we were in college, Uncle Frank was a legend, and we all grew up and thinking and wanting to make him proud and to take the arts and the performance aspect of Kirodimal College to the next level. Even now, all over India, people know KMC as a college that's equally good in academics as well as extracurriculars. And I hope you guys will keep doing that, and each new society that comes up becomes as solid as players in DepSoc and MuseHub.
We'll have a quick rapid fire.
Sure.
Ashoka Lawn or Sports Complex?
Auditorium.
Oh, okay. Library or VCR?
Hostel.
You are not supposed to give different answers.
It's a rapid fire. I can say whatever comes to
Okay,
mind.
fine. Bunking the classes or attending the classes regularly?
See, I was the guy who was in charge of giving attendance to my batchmates and juniors, because Mr. Bhimsen Singh used to let me be the head of attendance. So I would say attending classes in the name of extracurriculars.